Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to plan with me in my Hobonichi cousin with hands right there, and we are using this brand new kit from our shop, a Hobonichi cousin kit. I know you guys are waiting for that because a lot of you girls I know are in love with this Hobonichi cousin planner as much as I am, and we decided to come out with our own kits specifically for your weekly pages in your Hobonichi cousin. So Hans is putting down the date cover-ups up at the top, and then we are going to put down our timestamp covers. Now these are tiny, skinny, but longish sticker that is cut exactly for the timestamps at the sides of those weekly pages. Now take your time with this because it can be a challenge as it does come out curly, but there is no going around that. So here Hans is going to put down the bottom bar. It will be a box or a square lower than when the timestamps or time covers end. Now it's gonna hang off a little bit off of the last line of the page because the number 4 of the Hobonichi cousin weekly pages do hang out of the page, and I didn't really like to see that number 4 hanging out there. Also, this kit is not meant to be a no white space kit, so you will have some spaces. Now if you'd like to just plan exactly like me, then it's not gonna be such a problematic concept or aesthetic. So here I am going to start with my other page, my right page, and that goes to cover-ups. Now if you hear any noises, that's my phone. I am waiting for a message, so it will not be going anywhere. I'm sorry for that in advance. Alright, so see here, I am really struggling, but you know, no pain, no gain. Okay, now the time cover-ups will start 2 boxes from the date cover-ups. So you can see there's somewhat of a gap. That counts 2 lines or 2 squares from when the time cover-ups end. So here I'm going to put down the bottom bar, bottom box at the right page of my Hobonichi cousin, and it is once again gonna be 1 box after the timestamp lines end right there. Okay, so now we are going to start with our sidebar, and it's gonna really butt up against the timestamp cover-ups. Now maybe in the future I'd adjust that a bit, but for now that is what I like. And if you can see there, I am also not stacking them together as one line as if it's just one giant sticker. I'm actually leaving 1 box worth between each sticker. So here I have my this week box, 2 habit trackers in 1 sticker, an urgent box, and an important box. And then you also get that decorative box there. And then for the bottom, or rather on that box, I put down, well, Hans put down that mini box. I don't know what I'm going to call everything yet, so bear with me. In the future, I'll figure it out. All of the sheets come with a ton of decos for you to just decorate your page with. A lot of them are really big, and you'll see why that happens. Okay, now I'm going to start with Monday using that full box. As you can see there, it is hanging in the middle of 2 timestamp cover-ups. Now, just a reminder, it has to be 1 box from each of the timestamp cover-ups. That is the header. It is the exact same width as the full boxes, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So you get a bunch of to-dos and a bunch of to-days depending on what you want to use. So there I put down a heart checklist mini box, followed by those dots that would serve as a checklist also. I was debating whether I was going to put down or gonna design a lot of checklists for you guys, but then I realized that people don't plan the same way I do, and maybe people will not be using those checklists. But if you're into checklists, flags, whatnot, let me know in the comments below so that Hans and I can do something about that. So some of the boxes are one design separated into 2 stickers, just like the one on Tuesday. Now for those decos, by the way, because they're big, they can actually sit in the middle of the timestamp cover-ups just like a full box would. And I feel like that's just a really cute touch for your spreads, that you get a full box that's actually a deco. And I think a lot of people already plan this way, full boxes as decos, or rather decos as full boxes. So I put that down as bigger stickers or bigger deco instead of tiny little ones. Besides which, I have trouble using tiny little deco stickers. Here you can see it in action even more. Those circle decos are acting as checklist circles. So I know there's only a few, it won't really go down the entire page, but here's the thing. I only put down my most important to-dos right next to those sticker circles, so that I know that those are big things to do or important or urgent things to do for that day. You do get one weekend banner, and what I like to do is to put it just below the date cover-up. I'm just finishing the weekend days. Now, while that's going on, Hans is decorating. I just like to remind everyone that the entire website, paperjoyph.com, is on sale. So all the listings have been marked down, and you also get automatic discounts when you buy a certain amount. For example, for $20 worth of purchases, you get 10% off. And then I think $30 is 12, $40 is 15, I think. I'll put it up somewhere in the description or within the video. And I'm very excited about releasing these Hobonichi cousin sticker kits because I feel like it just makes planning so much easier and so much cuter. And if I'm not filming at all, this doesn't take me too long. And my shop is all about really quick and easy planning. That's why a lot of my kits are designed that way, that everything is there. You have options for some of them, some decors or some boxes, but basically once you get a kit, it's all good. Everything you need would be in the kit. Of course, other stickers are optional. Now also for the sale, we have new Summer Joy stickers, our emoji, our girl, Joy. We have new sticker sheets that are summer themed. So go ahead and grab that. They're also on sale. And also horizontal and vertical personal kits. New releases, and also everything is on sale. So go ahead and visit paperjoyph.com for you to grab these goodies. And now Hans is just finishing up with the circles, and I think we will be done in just a little bit. Here we go. These are our sales, and they are no code needed sales. Automatic discounts plus listings are already discounted. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more planning videos, please subscribe to our channel. Plus, if you really like our stuff, please buy it at paperjoyph.com. We are on sale, so go ahead and grab your favorites right now. Thanks again, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!